You must have seen these kinds of videos. They are absolutely amazing and look just like real films. And the best part is, you can also create videos just like these. These films are created on a powerful website, and as you can see, they get millions of views. Many of them are even used in reels, and yes, they look completely realistic. Now, we are going to create similar videos that look just like real movies, and by using it, you can easily create realistic films and cinematic videos. You can also grow your YouTube channel with this method and even get it monetized by creating high-quality, realistic content. Yes, you can even create dinosaur videos, full movies, and much more. In this complete course, I will guide you step by step. You can also see that videos like these go viral very quickly on YouTube. It doesn't take much time. You can create a complete video in just 5 to 7 minutes. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. I'll also provide my prompt in the comment section. Just click on it, copy it, and use it easily. Now, what you need to do next is open ChatGPT. After that, I will give you a prompt in the comments section. Just copy it. Once you've copied it, simply write something like, "Give me 10 image prompts in detail." You can use any simple wording like this. Then click on Next. After clicking Next, it will take a little time, but not too long. Soon, it will generate 10 high-quality image prompts for you, which are perfect for creating a cinematic film. It depends on you. If you want, you can also generate 20 prompts or even more, depending on how long you want your film to be. I'm using 10 prompts so you can easily understand how to create a cinematic AI film step by step. Don't forget to like the video. Now, these 10 prompts are ready. If you want more, just write 20 instead of 10, and you'll get 20 cinematic prompts. After that, save these prompts somewhere. Next, for creating AI videos, the website we will use is called Higgsfield.ai. It's a very powerful and amazing platform. Higgsfield AI is an impressive platform designed to make high-quality video creation simple, fast, and accessible to everyone. It allows users to generate realistic videos, cinematic scenes, and even full film-style content using advanced artificial intelligence. Whether you want to create marketing ads, storytelling videos, or visually stunning reels, this platform provides powerful tools that require little to no editing experience. One of the most remarkable features of Higgsfield AI is its ability to turn simple ideas or text prompts into realistic video outputs. This makes it especially useful for content creators, marketers, and businesses who need engaging visuals without spending huge amounts of time or money. From short promotional clips to detailed cinematic sequences, users can create a wide range of video content effortlessly. The platform is also ideal for social media creators who want to produce eye-catching reels or viral videos quickly. Its smart automation, realistic rendering, and creative flexibility make it stand out among other AI video tools. Overall, Higgsfield AI is a powerful solution for anyone looking to create professional-level videos with ease, making video production more efficient, creative, and accessible than ever before. Now I use this tool to show you how you can create film style and cinematic videos. Through this tool, I'm going to guide you step by step with a complete and easy course. First, as you can see here, there is an image option. You can create images from here, and there are many other options available that you can also use. If you want to create videos, you can use that feature as well. If you want to use audio, like voice cloning or selecting a good voice for your content, you can also do that here. As you can see, there are many voices available. Some of them are limited, but you can still use them to create your content. The main feature I'm going to explain is coming next. Before that, if you want, you can also create images. For example, I created this film-style image. Look at it, it's very impressive and high quality. You can easily create similar images as well. Now, before we begin, I want to tell you that today we will mainly use the video tool. For creating the video, we will use the main tool Seedance 2.0. I will provide its link in the description. And here we will use the name of the tool. Now, if you want to create a video, For film-style videos, we will use Seedance 2.0. I'll select it here. If you don't see Seedance 2.0, don't worry. Just click on it or access it through the provided link and you'll easily find it. After selecting it, the next important step is to add your prompt. For example, this is my prompt. I paste it here. You can also upload your own image if you want, just like I created an image earlier. After that, go to Auto Settings and set the ratio to 16.9. Then choose the video duration according to your preference. You can make a 15-second video, but I usually create videos of around 6-7 seconds. It depends on you. This is a very powerful tool. After selecting the size, up to 1080p, simply click on Generate. As soon as you click on Generate, your video will start creating. This way, you can see that the first video is ready. The result is very impressive and high quality. Now, in the same way, I will paste another prompt here one by one and click on Generate. After a short time, you'll see that the video will start generating. It may take a little time, but this is one of the fastest and most powerful websites for creating AI videos. If you want to create films, I highly recommend using Seedance 2.0 because it's an amazing tool that allows you to create very realistic, fantastic, and high-quality cinematic films. As you can see, the second video is also ready and the result is again very impressive. Now I'll paste the third prompt. In the same way, you just need to copy and paste your prompts one by one, and your videos will keep generating continuously. All you have to do is copy each prompt and paste it, and your cinematic videos will be created step by step. If you want, you can also purchase their package. It's not very expensive. You just need to go to your account section, then go to Upgrade, click there, and you'll see different pricing plans. These packages are quite simple and affordable. If you're serious about creating AI films, this is one of the best platforms you can use. By investing a small amount of money, you can easily create high-quality films. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video with another helpful tutorial.